Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I recently tried some methods to make money online and a lot of you have asked me to create more videos like this. So in this video, I'm going to try another method that claims you can make $2.80 every minute, and if you watch like 10 minutes of a video, you can earn $28. And it's possible to earn $100 per day by watching videos from this website. And the website we're going to test has a high review from websites such as Trustpilot, which has excellent 4.6 score. So I'm going to test this method and see if that really pays or not. So if you'd like me to do more videos like this, please go ahead and like this video. And now let's go to the first step, which is going to this website. So the website I'm going to test today is Rewardy.io. Now I'm in the website here, and as you can see, there are different offers here, that you can try. So the first thing I'm going to do is to register in this website. So I go to this section here and I click the register account. So here I put my username, email address, and give a password, and then I register. Alright, it says that I'm verified, and now I'm the Rewardy website as a registered account. Alright, here I can see that my balance is 0. It's obvious that there is no welcoming bonus here or welcoming money. So if you look at the website here, we can see that it says earn money listening to music, earn money watching streams, playing games, other different things like taking quizzes. And also there is a button here, start earning. And as I said in the beginning, it says that this website is reviewed by Trustpilot, which is a famous reviewing website that gives a score to different websites. So it gives me some hope that this website may be really working and gives money. Okay, now after I click the start earning, I have these offers here like complete offers, watch streams, listen to music. So I go with the watch streams here, watch your favorite Twitch streams. And here it says that you can earn this amount. Okay, now I click this. Okay, now for example, I go to the first one here, I just click it. And then after that, I watch this. It says that there is an ad like in 1 second. So here it says that I'm getting like 2 points or 2 coins per minute here watching this. So let's see if it gives me 2 points. It's a live stream from Twitch. Yeah, now it gave me 2 points for just 1 minute I watched this video. Alright, I have got all the points from this video, 61 points. And just took a long time, just every minute they gave me 2 of these points. So it just took me half an hour just to watch this video and get all the points here, 62 points here. And what the video claimed in the beginning was that you are just getting $2.80 for every video you watch, but this is not really what the video claimed, and you're not just getting much money here with this half an hour spending time here. And now I'm going just to go to the withdrawal section to see what is the minimum limitation. So there are different ways we can have a cash out, but let's go and check, for example, PayPal here. So here I think we can see that it's just delivery is 24 hours. So the minimum amount is 5,000 points. And here we have just 63 points. So just gonna try another things here. So I go to the earn again, to the offers here, and see what else we have here. Alright, there are different ways here you can make money. Also here I think if you go, for example, play Flappy Bird, there is you have to use it on Android, and also listen to music is Android. Take quizzes, for example, the fun one. Here both iOS and Android are available for these different types of quizzes, but you have to install the app, which is related to these quizzes, and then when you do that, the points are given to you in this application here in Rewardly.io. I have 63 points here, which is just very little money I cannot really withdraw that, so I just continue here to watch streams. One idea from the video is that you can open several of these streams at the same time and earn money at the same time. So I'm just going to try it. So I just open this one here, for example, and this one, and this one. So here, for example, that's the first one. It just says that you have to create an account. Okay. Now this one doesn't need an account. And this one doesn't. So the first two ones, I close the tabs. But I think this one is playing now. There is an ad here which is getting played, and also this one is getting played as well. This other tab is just loading. Alright. Now the video is getting played here. It's just live Twitch. It's not giving me any points. It's 0. The other one as well is just 0. So it means maybe I've got all the 64 points from the Twitch videos for today. So it's not giving me more. So this is going to take a long time, to get the withdrawal, because I think, as we just checked before, for the withdrawal, I go again. For example, imagine we want to get it like PayPal, it just says that we need 5,000 points so it's just going to take a long time, to see if we can withdraw that money. So please leave in the comments below if you like me to continue with the app to just reach 5,000 points and see if the withdrawal is working or not. And also I appreciate you liking this video if you enjoyed it so far. But I think, in my opinion, that this app is working well, and it's going to pay because of the high reviews it has from reliable websites such as Trustpilot. But it's going to take a long time to earn money to reach the threshold, which is 5,000 points. You can use different ways, like opening several tabs, and watching several videos at the same time to see if you can earn more money to reach the threshold faster. So thank you for watching up to here, and I appreciate you just like and subscribe to my channel, and I see you in the next video. Take care.